Hey y'all, welcome back to Amina Lee TV. I know it's been a little minute. I think it's been about a month since the last time I recorded a video, and it's because I've been busy with other YouTube things. First and foremost, I was working with my son on his channel called Ash Loves Cash. You guys definitely go check it out, subscribe, watch a couple of his videos. He's been working on this channel for about a year now. He started back when he was, I think he probably was about 6 or 7 years old at a time when he made his first video following behind me. And since then, he's been very driven and focused and excited about creating this channel that's all about technology. He does his Roblox tutorials. He does tutorials on, he had a Chromebook at the time and he was doing these EXE file tutorials. I don't even know what that is, but he had a goal set to reach the benchmark for monetization, which is to get 1,000 subscribers. Then you have to have a certain number of watch hours, right? And then there's different levels of monetization. So for that first phase where you get to open up your store, you get super chats and things, create memberships, things like that, you need 3,000 watch hours and you also need 1,000 subscribers. So I'm happy to say that he met the 1,000 subscriber mark. I think it was last month. He's really excited about that. He's so dedicated. So I just jump in every now and then to help him, structure the process, to teach him all about the different things that it takes to keep people coming back, trigger the algorithm. So even though you can't really, you can do that. That's another video. But I've been working with him there. If you go check him out, you'll notice that a lot of those videos he actually did on his own. Like, he's 9 years old. I'm really proud of him because he's taken it so serious and his work ethic is just phenomenal. But that's one of the things that I've been working on. I also created another YouTube channel called the Six Figure Author Blueprint. And what I'm thinking about doing is bringing that content over here. I created the Six Figure Author Blueprint probably about 2 years ago. The channel 2 years ago it was named Six Figure Author Blueprint for Kids. And recently, now that I'm actually working on my own memoir, I said, you know what? Let me go back to that initiative and walk through the Six Figure Author Blueprint process as I'm writing my memoir, right? Just to document it for new authors, old authors, if you're interested in just figuring out what you need to do to start writing a book. If you're already an established author and you want to figure out how to increase your sales, how to better market, how to use your authorship to become maybe a paid speaker and, get your message and your voice out there, all of that is going to be documented as I'm going through my own personal process. So just to give you a little context and background, the Six Figure Author Blueprint is a course my husband and I created probably about 5 or 6 years ago. And what we did was start documenting the process that he took when he first started writing books. So he has about 17 or 18 self-published books that do really well. It's great passive income because, writing a book is a one and done thing. After that, it's really up to you to market and generate the sales from it. So back in 2009, I think it was 2009, he wrote his first book. And of course, we did the traditional stuff then. A lot of the things and the resources that's available to us now, as far as technology goes, it wasn't available then. So we were going from state to state, going to different book fairs and blah, 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 blah. But then as technology increased, social media was presented, and we just learned that process from book funnels and SaaS programs and all of that we can utilize to get our books sold. I personally have used the Six Figure Author Blueprint to sell my children's books. If you guys don't know, I think I've mentioned it here before. I am the author of 9 published children's books. And I used a lot of that process to market my own books. And I said, hey, here we go again. I'm writing one more book. This will be book number 10, but this one is not about me. This is a totally different topic that I'll probably make a separate video for. Other than that, No, oh no, you know what else? I have recently been introduced to options trading. And that's another thing that I think I'm going to start making content on here. Like, you guys can follow my journey of me learning about options trading. You know, I traditionally buy and hold stocks is something that I've always done. I never really got into the weeds of it as like I want to say I'm gonna call it a serious investor, you know, doing research and doing, I just kind of follow different people. And if they say, hey, invest in this, then I'll go and invest in that. Or, hey, this stock is doing well, then I'll go buy some shares in those different stocks. But now that I'm learning the options game, I'm starting to take investment a little more seriously. And that's another playlist that I think that I'm going to move forward with creating as well. I'm just going to be documenting my process and take you along on a journey as I'm learning how to properly research and study different companies, make bigger and more long-term investments in the buy and hold side, but also jump into the option side as well. So yeah, I just wanted to come on. I was in the mood to record a video today and let you guys know what has been going on. Keep an eye out for the 6-Figure Author Blueprint series. I will be uploading those and creating a playlist for that. And then you'll also see me doing some videos on options trading and the different, not only the different things that I'm learning, I'll share that. And I'll also definitely share with you as I start jumping into the game and all of the resources that I'm using. It's really exciting. I can share with you now that I have tapped into, there's a young man named Aristotle. I have access to his course. That's where I started. No. There was a Options Trading 101 playlist that I got access to. So I watched that first, and then I got into Aristotle's course, and now I'm looking at Wall Street Trapper's course. And I have to say that of the three, Wall Street Trapper's my guy. He's very, he's all about strategy and research, and that's a language that I speak. I like to know why I'm doing what I'm doing, and I like to know all the intricate details before. I'm just in life, I'm the type of person that needs all of the information before I make a solid decision, especially when it comes to things like finances and anything that's gonna impact my life. So because he is really big on that, I say, yeah, this is my guy. So I've been looking at his stock course, honestly, and now today I'm gonna jump into his options masterclass and his course on that as well. And I'll keep you guys updated about what I'm learning, and then eventually when I start trading, what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to go check out Ash Loves Cash. The link will be in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video.